Successful internet marketing relies heavily on developing a strong email list. What's the best technique to develop a mailing list? Publishing articles on the internet. Some interest in your website or business may be generated when you are the author of a large number of articles that are well received in the online directories. In your niche, your credibility will grow, and people will come to trust and like you and your business. It's important to leave your readers wanting more. Is television something you enjoy? Once in a while, tune into the television series Lost. I don't watch a lot of television, but I do watch Lost on abc.com occasionally. Take in the first show on the schedule, and then refrain from watching the second one. It will never happen. It's a fascinating and engrossing show that keeps you guessing until the very end. Almost every good TV show has a similar setup. In a way, this is similar to internet marketing in that the finest ones keep us on the edge of our seats. Keeping people on the edge of their seats is the best way to get them to follow us. Your article should convey that feeling. If you have to, set up a lot of list-building sites and answer each of your audience's questions on a separate page. That's something you're capable of doing. You need to see if your content is helping you create a subscriber base. As long as no one is visiting your list-building page, you don't have a lot to show for your efforts. You can't do it on the internet. Articles should drive traffic to your website and aid in the development of a mailing list. Is that what you're saying? What if you're from Ireland or Germany or any other country? Consider tying your online business to that country's culture. Engage with the audience. Retired airline pilots or nurses are all welcome. Don't be afraid to express yourself in a unique and creative way. Thanks for listening. Join our Facebook group My Learning Center and subscribe to our channel My Learning Center on YouTube.